kind of noises do you make, Mando? Ah! Trying to just pay attention to me, play with me. Except for you don't want to be played with. You were just trying to go to sleep. It's not bedtime yet, silly. Hey. We really need to cut your nails. Hi. Hi. I think it's funny when he just like kind of looks over at you like, hey, I know you're looking at me. Oh, he's being so quiet. Right? It's funny. It's like he knows.
Who's mad? Were you Mandalorian?
Yes, he is Mandalorian.
I said Mandalorian. I got a video of him making some noise.